Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is butternut squash soup. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 8 ounces butternut squash, skin removed, seeds removed, cubed, roughly about half an inch by half inch by half an inch. 4 ounces onion, diced. 8 ounces potato, skin removed, cubed, roughly about half an inch by half inch by half an inch. 1 cup chicken broth, 3 cups water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 4 pieces green onion, finely chopped, 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 400 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute, the oil is hot. We are going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute, the onion is slightly soft. Now we're going to add potato, squash, chicken broth, water, soy sauce. We're going to cook with cover on for 10 minutes after it starts boiling. It takes about 4 minutes to come to a boil. It's been 10 minutes. I just turn off the heat, remove the cover. Now we're going to add green onions on top of that. Serve hot. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.